Hey guys, Golden Fire Origami here. Today I'm going to be showing you an origami model I made actually a long time ago. It's the Origami Flapping Lovebirds Pop-up card, designed by Jeremy Shafer. He published this model in his third book, Origami Pop-ups, to Amaze Amuse. And yeah, like I said, I made this quite a long time ago, but it still works. And all you gotta do is like hold by the tail, and then they will both flap. And as you can see, that V shape, that's the birds kissing. So yeah, it's a pretty interesting model. I think it's kind of interesting because it's like two flapping birds, and it's in a card. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.